Alright, this is my attempt number 2. This is the Ypsilanti Auto Heritage Museum. Let me get you a picture of the outside. I'm having a little bit of an issue with my camera today. So this was a Kaiser Frazer dealer for many, many, many decades. Even after the company closed, they still sold parts out of here, apparently. There was somebody who was really fanatical about them and was operating this. And here's some Rust Bucket, Michigan old police cars. You don't see these very often. They're generally pretty trashed out by the time they're this old. I love how they have that ashtray down there. I've seen this type of car in actually quite a few movies from the late 50s. I guess these had a certain level of popularity at the time. I've actually never seen the inside of a DeLorean. You generally don't have the doors open when you see them. Not a very big car. The famous Hudson Hornet racing engines of yesteryear. I guess these put out a lot of power for their time. They were a NASCAR, a winner at some of the NASCAR races of its era. Alright, now this you will not find anywhere else. Hudson Invader 168 engine. Wow. I'm sure these guys put out some, I'm sure that the Hudson Motor Car Company put out quite a bit of stuff during World War II. Everything in this area was utilized in the Detroit area. They built absolutely everything here. Tanks, planes, you name it. Big Zenith carburetors. That thing looks pretty heavy. So this was the actual showroom of a dealership. So we're in the original part of the building. So this is more or less as it was since it was built. That's interesting. You see a plastic auto emblem from that era. It's kind of unusual. Nice looking car. Very nice looking car. Let's see, anything upstairs? Oh yeah, lots of stuff. Very cool stuff in here. Spotlights. Hot water heater, look at that. A hot water heater. Well, all heaters are hot water heaters, but I guess that was a new thing at the time. Well, car heaters are all hot water heaters. Unless they're electric, I guess. That's a die grinder right there. Wow. Let's go to the other side. I think there's a little bit more to see. This is also better than I thought. It looks pretty small on the outside, but I'm actually really glad I stopped in. This was totally worth it. Okay, go back out this way. It looks like a Corvair engine or something. Yeah, it's a Corvair. Okay. The city car. I would say arguably one of the ugliest production vehicles ever made. A pretty rare Oldsmobile wagon. You don't see these too often. The Olds Custom Cruiser. Oh wow, look at that. It's got a bubble top. That's wild. I've never seen that before. Okay, that's a legit rare wagon. Oh, look at this. Look at this green color. That is a pretty funky green. Wow, I'm really enjoying these engines and transmissions. You don't get to see this sort of stuff at a lot of museums, these cutaways. I'm not sure why this GM stuff is mixed in here. I'm not really understanding that, because this is a non-General Motors museum. But hey, a donation's a donation, right? Okay, this is the front-wheel drive transmission out of a Tornado. This is wild. Look at how heavy that roller chain is. This has got to be the most robust front-wheel drive transmission ever built on planet Earth. Here's a rotary. I presume it's a Mazda. I might be wrong about that, but I don't know of any GM rotaries or Ford rotaries, but I could be wrong. Oh, it is a GM rotary. Oh, wow. GM rotary engine. I don't think that ever saw the light of day. Weird. Does anybody know what the GM rotary engine was used in? Was it ever put in a production car? I'm not aware of one in existence on a production car. A little turbo Corvair. Turbo flat 4. Nearly a Porsche. Very cool little museum. Look at that window sticker. There you go, guys. $4,000. Brand new Pontiac. But, you know, we got to print money forever, so we can't have nice things at low prices anymore. That's just not in the equation for anybody anymore. All right, well, that about summarizes this pretty cool little spot here in Ypsilanti, Michigan. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.